Hello, my friend. I'm Elon Kane. Welcome back to Digital Money School, where we grow together, step by step. Today we're talking about CPA sign-ups, cost per action. It's simple and powerful. Follow small daily steps, and you can grow your CPA sign-ups without stress. Stay close. By the end, you'll see how this works in any profession and how you can start today. CPA means you earn money every time someone signs up, downloads, or takes action through your link. Starting is easy. Join a CPA network. Pick one offer that matches your audience. A teacher can share study apps. A business owner can share finance tools. A creator can share design platforms. Takeaway here: start small. One network, one offer. Just share it. CPA fits naturally into your daily routine. For a lawyer, it could be legal templates. For a health worker, a wellness app. For a shop owner, coupons or discounts. Every sign-up is like a seed, and seeds grow when you water them. Takeaway: connect CPA to what you already do. That's when it works best. Here's the simple path. Step 1. Set up your page or profile. Step 2. Add your CPA link where people can see it. Step 3. Share stories, results, and benefits. Do it daily. Stay consistent. Because small steps create big results. Takeaway: consistency builds momentum. So remember this: start simple. Fit it into your work. Stay consistent every single day. That's the real path to growing CPA sign-ups, step by step. I'm Elon Kane, and I believe you're capable of more than you think. Keep learning, keep moving, keep building. For the helpful tools I use, check the description. MaxBounty for CPA offers, CPAlead for beginners, Canva for quick promo designs, and Linktree to share all your links in one place. If you enjoy learning in this style, check out creators like Pat Flynn, Vanessa Lau, and Neil Patel. They share powerful insights that line up with what we do here. Subscribe to Digital Money School for more simple guides. Share this with someone ready to grow. Success grows step by step. I'm Elon Kane, and I'll be here guiding you every step of the way, so keep moving and always think big. Your journey starts now. Let's go.